Dear students, welcome. Now we are going to solve one problem in bulk modulus, based on bulk modulus. When the pressure of liquid is increased from 3.5 meganewton per meter square to 6.5 meganewton per meter square, its volume is found to be decreased by 0.08%. What is the bulk modulus of elasticity of the liquid? First write the given data. Initial pressure of the liquid equal to 3.5 meganewton per meter square. Okay. The final pressure equal to 6.5 meganewton per meter square. 6.5 meganewton per meter square. So the increase in pressure, from that we have to calculate the increase in pressure. And the next, decrease in volume, 0.08%, decrease in volume equal to 0.08%. So what is the bulk modulus of elasticity of the liquid? Bulk modulus K equal to increase in pressure dP divided by volumetric strain minus dV by V. This negative symbol represents decrease in volume and increase in pressure. So the increase in pressure, how to calculate the increase in pressure? Initial pressure equal to dP equal to final pressure minus initial pressure, 6.5 minus 3.5, so equal to 3 meganewton per meter square. 3 meganewton per meter square. So 3 into mega 10 to the power 6 divided by, what is dV by V? Decrease in volume 0.08%. So 0.08 divided by 100. 0.08 divided by 100. So K equal to, by using scientific calculator you have to find K equal to 3.75 into 10 to the power 9 Newton per meter square. So 10 to the power 9 equal to what? Giga. So 3.75 giganewton per meter square. So bulk modulus of elasticity of the liquid equal to 3.75 giganewton per meter square. Modulus K equal to 3.75 giganewton per meter. Okay. Dear students, if you like this video, share it to your friends and subscribe our channel for continuous mechanical lecture series. Thank you.